Hi everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining Wyatt and I. Today we have an exciting video for you, right Wyatt? You can tell he's excited. I'm excited. I have a follow-up video for you. It's a follow-up to the review I did on my LilySilk review. So LilySilk was one of my very favorite reviews because I think their products are fantastic. And they had reached back out to me because they have a special going on this month on many of their products and on their whole website. So they asked me if I would be willing to do a follow-up video, and I said, well, of course, because I'm just loving their products right now. So for the month of October, the whole site-wide, they have an extra $10 off $200 for anything that you purchase. And they have a special as well on the silk shirts, which I have the white one on right now. So in my last video, I wore the black one, and today I have on the white one, which I'm going to show you. And I love a basic white button-down shirt, but I don't like the cotton variety because I never think they lay nicely. So I feel like the white silk version is such a nice and better option because they always lay so nicely. So I can't wait to show this to you. So this top that I have on right now normally runs $159.99, but right now on their website it is $79.99. And then if you purchase other things, you can get extra money off with their site-wide special going on, which is an extra $10 off $200. I also have my own coupon code for anything that you purchase on their site at regular price. So any full price item, if you use the coupon code Little BOH for Box of Happy, so Little BOH, which I will put all this information down below for you, you'll get an extra 15% off any full price items as well. So how great is that, right? I'll also link somewhere in this video my last video on the little black dress that I did and the black top as well, so that you guys can get a chance to see that if you didn't get a chance to and you want to. So this particular button-down top that I have on comes in 7 different colors, including black and red and navy and off-white and yellow and tan, like a champagne color. They're so super pretty and versatile. And let me read you. It comes in this, when you get your any of the items that you get from them, it comes in this beautiful box. And I got this information in it as well. And it shows you some of the other products that you can get from them, which includes bedding, pillowcases, pajamas, dresses, which is similar. This is similar to the one that I had done a video on earlier. Beautiful, beautiful clothing that they offer. Some information on the silk. So LilySilk is a luxury silk brand. It was founded in 2011. It is committed to refining the silk industry. They use the finest grade 6A mulberry silk. And they do have a satisfaction 45-day money-back guarantee. They also offer monogram services. So I assume if you would like to do that for any of your bedding, they offer that as well. How cool is that? So I love it. Here's a picture of the pajamas. Isn't that cute? But I will put a link to their site and all the information as well if you want to check this out, because they do have so many products. It's just beautiful, beautiful clothing. But let me show you this blouse that I'm wearing, which I love. I love to put on a silk top and dress up jeans with it. So I do have a pair of jeans on, and I will show you what I've got on. Be right back. Okay, so here is this beautiful white blouse, and I just did a front tuck for a little bit more of a casual look to dress up jeans. I love how it has the covered button look to keep it a nice clean look. The material feels absolutely wonderful on. It is so nice and soft and silky to the feel. I wanted to show the length of it in the back, see how nice and long it is. But still perfect to tuck all the way around if you wanted to, so it'd be perfect for dress pants as well. So I love about a nice white button shirt, button-down shirt. You can wear it for dress, casual. It pretty much goes with anything. The length of the sleeves is nice for me as well. So I did bring a blazer out that I could quickly try on for you to see how that looks. Just to give it a different look here. And I think this is really pretty too. Swap out this for dress pants and you have a quick, nice, easy work outfit as well. So I'm so in love with these blouses. I think they're beautiful. I have the black one and the white one both now, and they are staples in my wardrobe. They're just so beautiful. Okay. So the tag that came on this blouse, it comes with an extra button. Shows the blouse, and it also gives you some additional information on the benefits of silk as well as the LilySilk brand. So I think that is all good. And just to cover the silk benefits, which I think everyone probably knows, but it helps you sleep better, it's good for your skin and hair, moisture wicking, and it's antibacterial. So I think it's all good information. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will put all this information down below in case you'd like to check any of these, check out this blouse or any of the items on the LilySilk site. So thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider hitting that thumbs up. I would love it if you'd hit the subscribe button. If you have already, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks so much for watching. Have an awesome day, everybody. Bye.